All right, welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 9, Saving Models in AI Lab. At this point, you should have one um, model card for is it a predator, one model card for class type, and then one model card that you have made on your own. And so now we're over here. So it says choose one of the models that you just trained to import into App Lab. Create an app that visitors can use when wandering around the zoo and looking at different animals. All right, so we're gonna importing your app. Let's import the model we just created in AI Lab. Do this, click on the gear icon and select Manage AI Models. Select the model you just saved in AI Lab, run your code and verify that it works. Once you verify that your code works, continue to the next step. So let's see, tooth fins, okay, no. So I actually did this 3 times. I like this one more, so I'm gonna import that. All right, so it says variable data gets list on event predator underscore predict. Click. So when I click on this button right here, it will look at all this information and then it will set the text here to whatever the prediction is. All right. So awesome. All right, we've done that. Let's run it and let's see if it is tooth, if it is aquatic, and if it has fins. Predict. Yes, it is a predator. Excellent. All right, so that's all we had to do. We're going to click finish. Now, you didn't have to do the predators one. You could do the one that you made. You could do the one that's class type. There's a lot of different possibilities here. That's just the one that I picked. So with that, once you've got your specific model card imported, then we're going to click on finish, and I will see you on level 5. Here we go.